the stem. It is the ascending part of the plant growing above the soil towards the light and away from water. It bears leaves, flowers, and many other structures on it. It may be simple or branched. Most of the stems grow above the ground, but stems in the case of kachalu, onion, ginger, jimikant grow underground. To test the function of the stem. Stem has one main function, that is, transportation of materials to different parts of the plant body. Let us learn it by doing a simple experiment. Take 2 beakers and add water in both. Mark them as A and B. Cut the base of 2 branches obliquely and put it in the beaker. Now add a few drops of red ink to the beaker B. Observe both the plants after 5 to 6 hours. You will find that the red color spreads inside the stem and leaves. In the same way, minerals dissolved in water also move up on the stem and leaves along with the water.